NHS estates teams struggle with a £15.9 billion maintenance backlog. Hey guys, remember to head below to like, comment and subscribe for all the latest on our videos. Davy Clark, implementation consultant at SFG20, offers insights from the SFG20 State of Facilities Management Report 2025, which highlights a critical infrastructure crisis within the NHS. NHS trusts are currently facing a staggering £15.9 billion maintenance backlog, creating an increasingly precarious environment for estates teams. Due to the high organisational risk, estate performance is now under intense pressure from both trust boards and the Care Quality Commission, CQC. Maintenance decisions have shifted from being purely operational to directly impacting patient outcomes, with infrastructure failures leading to cancelled procedures and lost clinical time. Estates teams are struggling to meet growing demands due to a combination of recruitment freezes and limited budgets. A significant asset data quality crisis exists, with fragmented information scattered across legacy records, spreadsheets, and inconsistent software systems. Only 10% of FM professionals report having 100% accurate asset registers, making it difficult to track what assets exist or how to maintain them. Nearly a third of facilities managers still rely on manual spreadsheets for asset tracking, while some still use paper-based records. Over a third of professionals admitted they do not update their asset registers or are unaware of how often updates occur. The report concludes that the traditional strategy of doing more with less has reached its practical limit, leaving safety and compliance at risk. Davy Clark, implementation consultant at SFG20, says, "Ensuring asset data is consistently structured, complete, and digitally maintained in a single source of truth is essential, not only for effective planned maintenance, but also for long-term cost savings and compliance." To learn more, read the full article in our Building Services category. Read more at TWinFM.com.